what I was told to do, and that's what I did. And I did it fully to my best ability.
If I may, Mr. Trump, it's really more of a personality. Gary's Gary. He likes to have fun. He makes loud noises. He bounces
I
around.
think he's great. Okay. So, Stephen, do you think you won?
Yes, I think that without question, what we created was, it couldn't have been better. It really couldn't have been better. And with that being my perception, yes, I think we've won.
Bananas, come here, Mama. Mama, come here, your turn. Come here. Come here, Mama. You want some peanut butter? It's still on your nose. There you go, Mama. It's a love fest. Mama, you still got some on your nose. It tickles. Good boy.